Are aliens secretly watching us? Namaste, friends. Welcome to an exciting journey that'll light up the bulbs in your brain. Just imagine, by March 2025, scientists have found two mind-blowing things in space that are making us wonder. Dude, are we really alone in this massive universe? On one hand, 4 new planets have been discovered near Barnard's star, and one of them looks a lot like Earth. On the other hand, the James Webb Space Telescope has spotted chemistry in an ancient galaxy that hints at the secrets of life. These two discoveries are pushing us to ask a big question. Are aliens hiding somewhere, sneaking a peek at us? In this video, we'll break down these finds in your style. Simple language, a bit of fun, and a secret twist that'll make you go, wow, seriously. So if you love space or enjoy pondering about aliens, stick around from start to finish. Hit that like button right now so we know you're pumped, and let's blast off on this space adventure. Barnard star planets, an Earth-like planet. Let's dive in, friends. First up, Barnard star. It's a tiny star, a red dwarf, just 6 light-years away from our home, the solar system. Basically, it's our space neighbor. On March 11th, 2025, scientists shouted, "Whoa, it's got 4 new planets. Why is this big news?" Because one of them, called Barnard B, is 40% bigger than Earth, with temperatures between 50 degrees C and plus 110 degrees CC. What does that mean? It could have water. And where there's water, there's a chance for life, right? This Barnard B orbits in its star's habitable zone. In simple terms, that perfect spot where it's not too hot or too cold, but just right for life to have some fun. It takes 233 days to orbit its star, a bit quicker than our 365-day year, so it gets stuff done faster. Scientists say it's a rocky planet, like our Earth, where we walk and roam. Here's the fun part. Barnard's star is 10 billion years old, so these planets might be just as ancient. Imagine, if there's life there, it could either be super smart aliens like in sci-fi movies, or maybe tiny germs like Earth had in its early days. Right now, scientists are zooming in on this planet with giant telescopes, like James Webb and the European Extremely Large Telescope. They're checking for oxygen, methane, or anything that screams, "Yep, there's life here." If they find it, it'll be a blast. Because 6 light years means if we get a super fast rocket, we might one day picnic there. So tell me, friends, what do you think? Are aliens on Barnard B ready to say hi, or is it just an empty planet? Don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comments. James Webb Space Telescope, a hint of alien chemistry? Now, let's talk about the James Webb Space Telescope. It's like a camera that unlocks the oldest secrets of space. On March 10th, 2025, it showed us something wild, a galaxy called Firefly Sparkle, from just 300 million years after the universe began. It's 13.2 billion light-years away, meaning what we're seeing is like a time machine, back when the universe was a little kid. In this Firefly Sparkle, James Webb spotted stuff that wins your heart: carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, the building blocks of life. Here's a cool twist. This galaxy is just 1,000 light-years across, 100 times smaller than our Milky Way, but it was pumping out stars so fast, 5 new ones every year, like a tiny star factory. But the real shocker, in one of its star clusters, they found diamond-like carbon dust formed billions of years ago. That dust is the stuff planets and life come from. Imagine maybe it was life's first step. Now it's time to think. If these chemicals were forming way back then, could life be everywhere? James Webb's data suggests maybe the seeds of life were floating around since the universe's start. And one more thing. Firefly's sparkle was glowing so bright with 10 star clusters visible, which is a puzzle for its small size. Was that glow from some ancient alien tech, like an old civilization left the lights on? Scientists are wondering too. James Webb is still scanning more galaxies, and by the end of 2025, we might get bigger secrets. So tell me, could this galaxy give us the aliens' address? Secret connection? the origin of life? Now here's a secret that'll make you go, dude, I never thought of that. Both Barnard's star planets and the Firefly Sparkle galaxy are telling us the story of life's beginning. Think about it. 13 billion years ago, galaxies like Firefly were cooking up carbon and oxygen, the stuff that builds planets. And now, billions of years later, planets like Barnard B might be the result of that chemistry. Scientists say if there's life on Barnard B, it could be tiny germs, like Earth's early days. This makes us wonder, life isn't some small thing. It might be a huge plan of the universe. By mixing James Webb's data with Barnard's star, scientists want to figure out if these two are connected. By the end of 2025, James Webb will dig deeper, and maybe we'll get a big clue. Isn't that exciting to think about? Aren't you thrilled too? Future and call to action. So friends, that's the scoop on March 2025's two big space stories. Barnard's star planets, including one like Earth, and James Webb's Firefly Sparkle unlocking life's mysteries. Both are bringing us one step closer to aliens. In the coming years, the space game's only getting bigger. Maybe we'll hear an alien hello soon. What do you think? Are we alone, or is life out there somewhere? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you're the first to catch our next space updates. See you in the next video. Until then, keep dreaming of space.